I don't know about this bathroom. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I just feel like it's not fancy enough.
Jason Explains Things presents The Gilded Throne Room. Episode 1. Removing wallpaper.
We're just gonna get started on this project. It's gonna be a multi-day, multi-week project. But for starters, we're just going to take off this very, very beautiful wallpaper. What do you think, Beatrix? You think we should tear this bathroom apart?
I don't know.
You're gonna wanna remove shelves, you're gonna wanna remove trim around everything. So depending on your project, you could reuse this stuff. I'm not going to because I'm going with a different kind of style in the bathroom. All right, everybody. The walls are nice and bare now. We got all the trim off. We got all the little nails pulled out. You're going to want to pick yourself up one of these. This brand is called Paper Tiger. Paper Tiger! And then after that, then you can either use a solution or what I like to use, which is a Power Steamer 705 TM patent pending. And then it's fine. It's totally fine. Yeah, this is what you're going to be putting up against the wall. And then you fill that with hot water and then plug it in. Preferably to one of those high voltage outlets for like a hair dryer because this thing takes a lot of juice. Oh. Just cut it off. It only took like an hour to remove all of it. Maybe this episode is kind of just short.